What vegetables can you sow in June for an autumn-winter harvest? Welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's video, we're going to be sharing what vegetables you can sow in June for a winter and autumn harvest, as you can still grow plenty of stuff at this time of year to fill in any gaps where plants haven't grown, or you've been harvesting and you've got space in the garden to get growing, or if you're a new gardener and new allotment holder, it's perfect for getting them vegetables in and get growing them ready for an autumn winter harvest. So what vegetables can we sow this month? So we can sow purple sprouting broccoli. Yes, there's purple broccoli out there. It's not just green, it can be purple as well, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So get sowing some purple sprouting broccoli for a harvest around autumn winter time. Next up is leeks. Now leeks can be harvested all the way through Christmas period into January, February time. So if you're wanting a winter vegetable, grow some leeks and you can get some great rewards from it. Kale is a perfect autumn winter vegetable, and you can have it in the air fryer, you can cook it, you can boil it. It's absolutely delicious to have. You can cut the leaves off as and when you need them, and you can get great rewards from them. There's lots of varieties of kale out there. There's curly kale, there's normal kale, there's so many varieties. There's purple, there's green, lots and lots to choose from. Next up is sprouts. It's too late to sow the seeds, but if you go to a garden centre, you might be able to buy some plants to plant up, as they are one of the longest vegetables to grow. So if you planted them now, they'll possibly be ready around December time, possibly a bit later, but get growing some Brussels sprouts from the garden centre. Next up is swede. Swede I don't like myself, but you can sow swede now for harvest around November, December time, and you'll be having them in your Christmas dinner. Next up is carrots. Sow these in tubs, preferably, as they need to be high up off the ground from carrot fly, and also they need compost rather than stony soil, as it will cause the carrots to split and produce funny looking carrots, and we don't want that. We want proper professional looking carrots growing. Next up is chard. It looks very similar to rhubarb, but it is a great vegetable to grow. So if you're wanting something that will produce lots and lots of vegetables, grow some chard and you'll get some great rewards from it. Next up is spinach. It's still time to sow spinach, and you can harvest it on a regular basis. You can get some great rewards from it. You might not look like Popeye after it, but you can grow spinach now and grow quite a few plants so that you can keep picking it and harvesting it as and when you need it to add to your salads or to maybe scrambled eggs. Absolutely delicious to have. So yes, grow some spinach for some great rewards. And finally is turnips. Again, like swedes, you can sow your turnips now for a winter harvest and autumn, and you can add them to your mashed potato, or however you decide to eat your turnips. You can certainly get some great turnips from sowing them now. So if you're not following, mate, do drop me a follow and stay up to date with all our videos. We're sharing lots of tips and advice videos recently, and check them all out. So until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben.